Hey there. So I need to replace the lights in this Ford Freestyle 2006 brake light piece, and it wasn't as intuitive as I thought. So first you need to unscrew these. Then it comes out fairly easily. There's an electrical piece and then the part where the hose valve is coming out. And you'll see there's like this black and silver strip. So disconnect this piece here. That's the electrical. And then I just pulled this pretty hard and both the black and the silver came out. There are 5 bulbs that need to be replaced, and Sylvania packs them in 2s. So you're gonna need 3 packs. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but here's the piece that comes out. And everything I've read says you can just pull them out, but it's not easy. I feel like I'm really having to loosen a tooth here. So they do come out after a while, but it's been a struggle. Like my dad always said, never force it. What I find that I can do is I can kind of wiggle it a bit, loosen it, and then using a rubber glove, try to pull that off. And then I also have a needle nose plier, and so I'll just kind of like try to work it out that way. It's possible that this silver piece detaches from the black, but not in any way that I can really see that's easy. It's all plastic, I don't want to force it. They gave me this bulb grease for free. You put that on the end of this thing and supposedly it's going to keep the connection better. It seems like it does get a little moisture up there. And they just slide right into place. Just stick it in the hole and press. I'm gonna go inside here like that. Then reconnect the wire that brings power to it. Screw it back in and voila!